Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So today's plan is to ride to the Kawasaki showroom. That's the new showroom unveiling that they're having in Godbandar, and I'm gonna meet a bunch of friends. And this is the bike. Let's see how it plans out today. All right. So before everything, we've got to fill up some fuel, and we're stopping at this petrol pump. I've got a friend waiting for me. Unfortunately, I just got a little bit late, so hopefully he's not waiting for long. Good morning, sir. कैसे हो? 91.30.
हाँ सर,
ये लूट रहे देश को.
अच्छे दिन है.
अच्छे दिन है. Alright, and we've got a beautiful sunrise, and we've got an asshole on the wrong side. We've got Wayne. What's up, Wayne? Give me a fist bump. Goal power.
What can I do to make you stay a little longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
A big thank you to everyone. I think thanks should come पड़ेगा इतना ये है. I would like to thank the people who have come from the factory at Kawasaki. I would like to thank you all my bosses for supporting and letting us grow this big today. And of course, biggest thanks to all of you customers. Because of this has been possible. So again, round of applause.
actually this one is for an insurance vehicle. The vehicle will be kept here for insurance purpose.
Okay.
So that the vehicle will be standing here for a longer period. This one is a quick service bay. This bay will be used for chain loop, chain adjustment, whatever it is, for that purpose only. And this one is a service bay.
Okay, and that's the washing area.
Yeah, that's a washing area. There is bathroom and washing area.
Okay, so it's time to leave now. Just heading home. And so overall, it's a good facility. The number of bays have increased compared to the old one, and yeah, there's much more space for the bikes to be parked. As you can see, there's easily about 40 bikes. In fact, even more than 40 bikes parked in this space. So yeah, a good facility. No doubt it's a little ahead compared to the previous showroom. And yeah, that's the service guys, service technicians. So it's maybe 5 or 6 kilometers ahead. So all kudos to Motorcycle and the team procuring this new place, and it's just next to the road, next to the highway in Ghodbunder, so it's pretty convenient. Yeah, and then that's Thane who's riding. So he'll just join me for the next few kilometers. Then I'll head straight to my house and he'll be heading home. Overall, it's a good experience. Again, congratulations Kawasaki, and especially the Motorcycle team and stuff. And wishing you guys all the best. And again, thanks for watching guys. Stay safe.